The Bangalore police have arrested the school chairman days after the rape of a 6-year-old in the school premises. The police now claim that the school tried to destroy the evidence in the case. Now, while the school chairman had refused to share information with the police about the shocking incident, in fact, that's the man on your television screens, Rustam Kerawala, who has now been booked by the police. Let's also get in more details from Pooja. Pooja, we also believe that there is a simultaneous protest already happening, and this protest actually is aimed at the government. It wants the Home Minister to resign.
Absolutely. This is an ABVP protest, and the students from ABVP and BJP workers too have been protesting for several days now, saying that the government has failed to actually control the law and order situation. And for quite a few days now, they have been accusing the government of being soft on the management, being soft on schools. Let's just hear from some of the students here. What is your demand? What is your protest against? What is your protest against? What is your protest against? What is the protest against? I can't hear you, ma'am. Students here are absolutely agitated. Most of them have been protesting for several days now, and they say that they are here mostly to protest against the Siddaramaiah government. Of course, yesterday's statement from the Chief Minister asking if the media has no other news to cover has further fueled protests. They're saying that the government is not serious about tackling issues like crime against women. Let's hear from some.
Yes, Pooja, there are a lot of angry voices. I'm just going to come back to you, but before I do that, let's once again listen in from the police commissioner today, in fact, who's telling us more about the arrest that he's made now in this case.
Arrests are always done on time and pronto.
Is there a reason for the delay also in investigation? Because
Kindly understand what I'm saying. Please understand what I'm saying. We always do things pronto. There is no delay.
Has the school been
No, this is an assumptive. That's an assumptive question that there is delay, and you're asking me why there is delay. There is no delay. Sorry, I'm saying there is no delay.
No, has the school been found in obstructing justice over the past two and a half weeks? Did the school stop you from investigating?
I think the main point of today's press conference is the apprehension of the founder of this particular school, which has got more than 20 branches across the country, and allow the police to investigate, interrogate custodially. More information comes out, we will freely share it with you.
Sir, are you investigating the other staff's involvement in this particular case?
Everything will be investigated.
Because there are reports that some other staff were also involved in this crime.
Gentlemen, we will not leave any stone unturned. And there are some reports in some papers using the word cover-up that has hurt us.